Have you ever pondered how deeply ingrained artificial intelligence is in our everyday lives, especially when it comes to the tech giants? Just consider the way you interact with your smartphone, your smart home devices, or even your car. All of these interactions have been made possible and indeed enhanced by the remarkable progress in AI technology. Let's go back to where it all began. It was the mid-20th century when a man named Alan Turing embarked on a journey that would pave the way for the AI revolution. Turing, widely regarded as the father of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence, conducted pioneering research that laid the groundwork for what we recognize as AI today. Fast forward to the present day, and AI has become a prominent field in computer science. It's not just about creating machines that can think and learn like humans. It's about harnessing the power of these machines to solve complex problems and deliver solutions that were once thought impossible. From web search engines that predict what you're looking for after typing a few letters, to recommendation systems that seem to know your tastes better than you do, AI has infiltrated every corner of our digital lives. It's the driving force behind speech recognition systems that transcribe your words into text. And it's the brains behind self-driving cars that navigate the roads with an uncanny sense of precision. When we turn our attention to the tech giants, the influence of AI becomes even more apparent. Think about the way Google and Microsoft use AI to power their products and services. They're integrating AI into everything from chatbots to predictive algorithms, all with the aim of enhancing user experience and driving innovation. But it's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Tech giants, like all users of AI, must strive to use this technology ethically and responsibly, minimizing potential risks and correcting errors as they arise. This is a sentiment echoed by Vint Cerf, one of the creators of the Internet, who has cautioned against hasty investments in AI technologies, emphasizing the need for thoughtful consideration. From being a budding concept in the mid-1950s, AI has evolved into an indispensable tool for tech giants. But how did this evolution happen? AI didn't just become a cornerstone of tech giants overnight. It was a gradual process fueled by innovation and necessity. This evolution began with the establishment of AI as an academic discipline in the mid-50s. Pioneers like Alan Turing laid the groundwork, conducting significant research that would shape the field of AI. As the decades rolled on, AI went through cycles of optimism and disappointment, akin to the proverbial roller coaster ride. The initial enthusiasm was often followed by periods of skepticism and reduced funding, as the limitations of early AI systems became apparent. However, these dips did not deter the tech giants. They recognized the potential of AI even when progress seemed slow. The game changer came with the advancements in deep learning and the transformer architecture. These breakthroughs rejuvenated the field, leading to a renewed surge of interest and significant funding. Tech giants saw the opportunity to harness this power, integrating AI into their operations on an unprecedented scale. Companies like Google and Microsoft started investing heavily in AI, creating innovative tools like AI chatbots. Despite facing criticism and ethical concerns, these tech giants continued to push the boundaries, constantly improving their AI systems. This evolution wasn't merely a quest for technological superiority, it was driven by the necessity to meet the ever-changing demands of consumers and businesses alike. AI brought about efficiencies and capabilities that traditional systems could not offer, making it indispensable in the modern tech landscape. This timeline of AI evolution gives us an understanding of its journey. Now let's look at the present scenario. Today, the tech landscape is vastly different, and AI has a significant role to play in it. It's not just about smart home devices or personalized recommendations anymore. AI is now at the heart of our interactions with technology, and tech giants are leading the charge. Consider the world of chatbots. They're everywhere, from customer service to personal assistance, and they're getting smarter by the day. Tech giants like Google and Microsoft have introduced their own AI chatbots in response to OpenAI's ChatGPT. Google's Bard and Microsoft's new Bing are prime examples of AI-driven conversational systems. These chatbots are more than just digital parrots. They're designed to understand, learn, and respond in ways that feel genuinely human. They can track a conversation, learn from past interactions, and even show a bit of personality. It's a far cry from the scripted and rigid chatbots of the past. But it's not all smooth sailing. Google's Bard, for instance, has faced criticism from some employees. There are concerns about how these AI systems are being used and the potential risks they pose. It's a reminder that technology is a tool, and like any tool, it can be misused. And it's not just about misuse. There's also the question of accountability. What happens when an AI chatbot makes a mistake? Who's responsible? These are questions that the industry is grappling with. In fact, Vint Cerf, one of the creators of the internet, has pointed out these ethical concerns. He's urged engineers to take responsibility for correcting errors and minimizing potential risks. It's a call for thoughtful consideration and ethical design in AI technology. But despite these challenges, the benefits of AI are undeniable. AI can streamline processes, provide better customer service, and even make our lives a little easier. It's why tech giants are investing heavily in AI, even as they navigate the ethical landscape. So where does this leave us? Well, it's clear that AI is here to stay. It's transforming the way we interact with technology, and it's changing the face of the tech industry. But as we embrace the possibilities of AI, we must also be aware of its potential pitfalls. While AI has indeed transformed the tech landscape, the path forward isn't without challenges. But with thoughtfulness, responsibility, and a commitment to ethical design, we can ensure that AI is a force for good in our increasingly digital world. As we stand on the brink of an AI-driven future, what can we expect from tech giants? The potential applications of AI in tech giants are limitless. From self-driving cars and voice recognition to predictive analytics and targeted advertising, AI is shaping the way these companies operate. But as we move forward, we must also consider the ethical implications of these advancements. Vint Cerf, one of the creators of the internet, emphasized the need for thoughtful consideration when using AI technologies. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, the responsibility of tech giants to ensure ethical and responsible use becomes even more paramount. As Cerf warned, humans using new technology may not always act in the best interest of others. This calls for a conscious effort from engineers and developers to minimize potential risks. They must take responsibility for correcting errors and ensuring the safe use of AI. This is not just about creating the most advanced technology, but also about considering its impact on our society and our lives. In the future, we can expect tech giants to invest heavily in AI research and development. They will likely focus on enhancing natural language processing, perception, and decision-making capabilities of AI systems. We may also see a rise in the use of AI for problem-solving, using techniques like neural networks, statistics, and operations research. The future might also witness a surge in the creation of AI agents that can perceive and take actions in the world, with rational agents having goals and preferences. These agents could potentially revolutionize the way we interact with technology, making our devices more intuitive and responsive. But with these advancements comes the challenge of dealing with uncertain information and making probabilistic guesses. Tech giants will need to invest in technology that can reassess situations and make decisions based on incomplete information. The journey of AI and tech giants has been a fascinating one, and the future promises to be even more intriguing. As we wrap up, let's revisit the key points we've discussed. We began with the dawn of artificial intelligence, a field of study in computer science that has since grown leaps and bounds. Tech giants were quick to recognize the potential of AI, integrating it into their services to create transformative technologies. We then journeyed through the evolution of AI, observing as it became an integral part of the tech giants' operations. From search engines to recommendation systems, speech recognition to self-driving cars, AI has been instrumental in shaping the digital landscape. Our exploration of the present use of AI in tech giants showed us the power and potential of these technologies. Yet we also noted the challenges and ethical considerations as highlighted by Vint Cerf, one of the creators of the internet. Looking ahead, we considered the future of AI in tech giants. With advancements in deep learning and the transformer architecture, the potential for AI to further transform our world is undeniable. However, the responsibility lies with the engineers to ensure that these technologies are developed and used ethically. As we venture into an AI-driven future, one thing is certain: tech giants will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping this landscape.